Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Narwal Freo Pro. If you're interested in this product, shop the link in the video description. So a restart is different from a full-fledged reset, like a factory reset. This is just a simple reboot where we're powering off and back on our robot vacuum. This may help alleviate any of the issues that you're experiencing. So identify the power button right here at the top, and we're going to press and hold for 2 seconds.
Powering off.
We have a voice prompt. It's powering off. The power button is changed and the vacuum is quieting down. So we just successfully turned it off by, again, pressing and holding for 2 seconds. Now that it's off, we can go ahead, we can press the power button and we can turn it back on. So same thing. Now we have the blue indicator. Now it is white and the vacuum is rebooting. So that's how you can conduct a reset with your Narwal device. Simple, straightforward. Now it's booting back up and you're all set and ready to go.